To start trading via a P2P exchange, it is crucial to understand how P2P trading works. Although P2P trading might sound complex, it is actually the simplest form of trading available today. P2P trading allows users to trade directly with each other without the involvement of a third party. P2P exchanges give you the freedom to pick the best rate and payment method that aligns with your specific needs. These exchanges are also quite relaxed in terms of requirements when compared to traditional crypto trading platforms. Now, let's check out how a P2P exchange works. As usual, to use a P2P exchange, you need to create an account on the platform and complete the KYC. Once you are verified, you can perform every functionality available on the platform. On the dashboard, you can see the balance in your account along with the latest advertisements. If you want to buy crypto, click on Buy and select the cryptocurrency. You will be presented with a list of advertisements from the sellers. You can filter these offers on the basis of crypto, payment method, currency, and amount. Just click on Search after filling out these options to get the offer you are looking for. To sell your crypto, go to Sell and select the crypto. Here you will find various advertisements from buyers. Filter out the one you need using the filter options and click on Search. To check out your advertisements, click on Advertisements. You can see your personal advertisements under My Advertisements. To create a brand new buy or sell advertisement, click on New Advertisement. First, choose if you want to buy or sell. Now, select the cryptocurrency along with the payment method and the currency. Now, set the margin, fill out the payment window and set the minimum and maximum limits as required. You will be able to see the price. Enter the payment details and the terms of trade as required. Click on Publish to broadcast your advertisement. Since this is a seller advertisement, a buyer can see your advertisement under the Buy page. If a buyer is interested in your advertisement, he or she will click on Buy. On this page, the buyer can view all the details regarding the offer, including the payment method and the payment window. The buyer will enter the amount along with other payment details. To send a request to the seller, that will be you, the buyer clicks on Send Trade Request. A trade ID will be generated. Once the payment is complete, the buyer will confirm the same via a text message and click on I have paid. As a seller, you can check whether the buyer has made the payment or not by clicking on Trade Information. If the payment was done by the buyer, the status will get updated to Buyer Paid. You can also view the terms of trade and the payment details sent by the buyer. To check out the trades, click on Trade Request. Here you will find details about the ongoing trades as well as the completed ones. In order to complete the trade, you as a seller will need to release the crypto. To do so, select the specific trade and click the button under Action. Now click on Release in order to release the crypto and finish off the transaction. Once done, the status will get updated to Completed. You can view the status by clicking on Trade Information. It is important to note that both buyer and seller can raise disputes by clicking on Dispute in case anything goes sideways during a transaction. However, in order to raise a dispute, both of them will need to submit proof. This proof ensures that disputes get resolved with proper resolutions.